Hello, hello! Welcome to my chatty, sassy corner where I talk about all things luxury, be it luxury travel, luxury fashion, life's luxuries in general. But as it is the YouTube gift guide season, I am doing my stocking stuffer gift guide under $25. So this video is going to be 25 stocking stuffers, all of them under $25. Well, $25 and under. And my family is really big on the stocking stuffer game. Honestly, we probably enjoy doing the stocking stuff more than even the actual gifts because it's just really fun. So my parents use the Pottery Barn regular size stocking. My husband and I, as well as his family, use the Land's End stocking. That's what you can see behind me. And those stockings will fit about 7 to 10 stocking stuffers. Now, everything that is on this list was not on last year's gift guide. And if you want to check that out, if you want 22 more stocking stuffers ideas, I am going to link that specific gift guide from last year down in the description. I'm also going to have the entire playlist linked at the end. So with that, let's get into it. So first up, coming in at $14 is the USAGA 32 Fingers Head Massager. Now, my husband and dog both love this thing. I enjoy it as well, though it can tangle my hair a bit. And my family wraps stocking stuffers, so I think this would be a really fun one to wrap up and have poking out the top. But it really is actually very useful and supposedly also really good at stimulating hair growth. Now, also for your body is going to be number 2, and that is the $16 Pro Bell double-sided multi-directional nickel foot file. This is fantastic for dry feet as we are headed into winter in the United States. You know that means your feet are going to dry out, and it's hard to keep that smoothness throughout the winter. This is super good for that. Now, number 3 is going to be something that is really useful when sending out holiday thank yous, as well as if you are someone who sends out New Year's cards. And that's going to be clear address stickers. Now, I have these for myself, these exact same ones, and I think that they are super useful, particularly because I don't have the best handwriting, and it has a very lovely script that's readable on it, and it is only $9 for 250 clear stickers, and so I think that is a great deal. Now, number 4 is going to be for those of us who use technology, and it is the $9 OXO or OXO, depending on how you say it, Good Grips Cleaning Brush for Electronics. Now, this is going to be really useful because it has one side that will help clean up your camera lenses, while the other side gets that dust, dirt, debris that gets within your keys on your laptop keyboards. And so I just think that's super handy to help keep things clean, and it also comes in a 2-pack. So while it is $9, really you could call it $4.50 if you wanted to put one in one person's stocking and one in another person's stocking. Now, number 5 is going to be for the bakers, and this is $20. It is the King Arthur Pure Vanilla Plus. Now, what this is it's essentially a vanilla extract that also has vanilla bean in it for that extract punch of flavor. And this is something that I personally hope ends up in my stocking this year because I love the fact that it actually has vanilla bean in the extract, and King Arthur is just fabulous products. Now, number 6 is for when you have pulled your baked goods out of the oven, and that is a set of 3 silicone trivets. So this is a 3-pack. It is really very pretty. It has all kinds of different colors to fit whatever your kitchen style that you are gifting to happens to be. My personal favorites are the yellow, as I have a red kitchen and I feel like that works with my color scheme well, but also I really like the teal blue color to go in white or lighter colored kitchens, and this is $13 for a set of 3. Now, since my channel is about luxury fashion, I had to put something that was related to that on there, and that's going to be number 7, the Clippa 2 bag hanger. I actually got this for my mom last year, and it's super practical both for bags and backpacks, laptop bags, that type of thing for men. And if you don't want them to touch the ground, super great now that so many of us are flying and traveling, very easy just to hook on a counter. And it's actually rated for 33 pounds and it's $17. There are lots of metallic colors, but there are also some flat colors as well if you want something a bit more understated or more masculine. Now, my next number 8 stocking stuffer is $24 and it's for someone who may be experiencing winter weather. And that is the Astro 47.2 inch, so nearly 4-foot expandable ice scraper. And this is just extremely useful and practical so that you aren't waiting ages for the defroster to kick in to clear like that tiny little hole that you sort of like duck down and peer through in your windshield as you drive. This makes it way easier. I use mine a lot. I particularly like that this is extendable for those of us with short arms like me. And so I think this is a really good one. Also really good for teenagers who are in their first winter season of driving. Now, those who've been subscribed to my channel for a while may know that I have a golden retriever who I absolutely love and who's my baby. Well, this stocking stuffer is for dog lovers or for your dog's stocking if you do that. We use it daily, and that is the Chuck It stick. Now, get the medium size because that's what fits a regular size tennis ball, but this thing is awesome because it lets you throw the tennis ball a really long way, and you don't have to touch a really dirty, slimy tennis ball. So it is $9, which is a great deal, which also leaves you plenty of room price-wise to go and get an extra sleeve of tennis balls to put in the dog lover stocking for the dog or in the dog stocking as well. Now, I don't want to forget about our cat lovers out there. So number 10 is for the cat and tea lovers, and it's going to be the Genuine Fred Purr Tea cat silicone tea infuser. It is $12, and I just think that this is so stinking cute. Plus, you can easily put some tea packets in the stocking stuffer to go with this, or a mug, and just makes for a really great stocking stuffer, I feel like. Now, number 11, I'm starting to realize that I must have been really, really hungry when I was making this list because there are lots of kitchen and food related things on here. So this next one is $13 for the aluminum version or $20 for the stainless steel, and it is a juicer. This particular one is really great for citruses like lemons and limes. It's really the perfect size. And this is something that my husband's hoping to end up in his stocking because we love adding things like lemon juice with our chicken, lime juice with our tacos, and so he just really thinks that this would be very practical for him. Now, number 12 is going to be the Smartro ST49 Professional Thermocouple Meat Thermometer. This is $24, and this is something that my husband got a couple of years ago in his stocking, so I can say with confidence that it is extremely handy and great quality. It is an instant read digital thermometer for meat, and I feel that it is a really, really great thing if you are someone who grills a lot or cooks a lot of meat to have something very accurate. That way you don't end up with food poisoning. We're over halfway through now, and number 13 is a 3-pack of sleeve armbands for $14. This 3-pack has a black, a silver, and a gold, and I actually ordered myself a pair of these. Haven't used them yet because I just placed the order on Amazon, but these are really super useful for putting on your blazer sleeves to help them stay like pushed up in that really cute like bunch fashion style that's going on right now, because that look doesn't stay on its own, and this is a really great way to do that. Now, number 14 is going to be for people who love a little bit of heat with their food, and that's going to be a 5mm bottle of their favorite hot sauce. Obviously, any size sauce in a little 5mm size would be fun. I do know that the Cholula Chipotle runs at about $8 a bottle, and you can easily pick up any sauce at your local grocery store. So this is the one item that I think I don't actually have linked in the description. Everything else is linked in the description. Now, number 15 is also dealing with seasoning, and that's for people who like to put salt and pepper on everything. Now, this is a salt and pepper 2-pack mini pocket grinder set, and my husband keeps his in the car for road trips, fast food drive-thrus, that kind of thing, and they're very convenient to slip in like a jacket pocket or a purse. They're priced at $14. This is just kind of a really fun thing to get to have, particularly if you have someone who likes fresh ground pepper or fresh cracked salt on everything that they eat. Now, number 16 is for the outdoor adventure, and I put this on there because it's something that we've gotten for my father in the past, as he was a Boy Scout and loves having plenty of emergency things around for whatever type of incident he may find himself in. And this particular stocking stuffer is $20 and is personal water filter straws. That way you can drink out of any body of water that you come across safely. And I feel like that this is a really fun thing for someone who's a hiker, someone who's an outdoors person, someone who's a survivalist, because it's fun while also being practical. Now, number 17 is for someone who likes to make single portions of food, or you like to do food torching, you like to put things in like the uni oven, and that's going to be an 8th size 2-pack of aluminum sheet pans. Now, my husband and I use this all the time when we're cooking our chicken parmesan, and it's super great when we pop it in the uni to get that nice bubble melt on the cheese. But it's only $17 for the 2-pack, and it's really a great practical product. But to go with them is stocking stuffer number 18, which is the 8th size racks. These are going to be $16. Again, comes in a 2-pack, super practical. What we do is we take our pan, we take our little rack, we set the chicken with the cheese on it, pop it in the uni, good to go. We also will put, if we just want a couple of cookies, we might put a couple of cookies down on the sheet pan. So really a super good practical thing for a couple or for someone who is single. Now, number 19 is something that I haven't played yet, but it looks like that it could be a lot of fun, and that is the Clarkson Potter Punderdome, and is a card game for pun lovers. To me, it looks like an apples to apples type of game, but for puns, and it's $17. This could be a lot of fun to do on Christmas Day when you're just sitting around in the afternoon with a bit of a food belly from whatever food you've been having. Now, number 20 is another husband suggestion, and that is going to be Bacon Up Bacon Grease. I can't believe I'm putting that on my channel, but he really insisted that it needed to go on there for guys who like to cook. He said every guy would think that it's awesome to get a tub of bacon grease. It is $23 for the 2-pack, so you can split them up between the guys in your family or the girls, and that makes it $12 a stocking stuffer, which I think is a pretty good deal, and this is definitely going to be a funny stocking stuffer to pull out. Now, number 21 is also a suggestion of his, and it is the OXO or OXO ice cream scoop. We do have this one. I personally prefer my Cutco, but he really prefers this one, and it is $16, but you can honestly find it cheaper at TJ Maxx, usually for around $8. And so that is a really good thing for someone who has a bit of a sweet tooth when it comes to ice cream. Now, another little kitchen gadget is going to be from Pampered Chef, and I could have put plenty of different tools on there, but I'm trying to make sure that I have Amazon links. So the one that I'm linking is the mini serving spatula. It's $18 on Amazon, but that's more than it is if you go through a Pampered Chef party. Now, number 23 is $10, and it's for those with a bit of a green thumb who also enjoy a bit of guacamole. That's going to be an avocado quick starter growing kit. I personally think that this looks like it could be fun. I don't know how quickly you'll get an avocado plant out of it, but I do think that this probably looks like it'd be a bit fun for those particularly who are a guac lover, an avocado lover. Now, number 24 is another 2-pack. This one is $10, and it is the Tiny Anchor Hawking Glass Measuring Cups. I think that these are really, really cute for a stocking stuffer, but they're also a really useful small size as well. Now, number 25 does kind of go a bit over budget, but I do think that this is something that would make a great gift or would make a great stocking stuffer. You can do 2 stocking stuffers in one with this, and it is the Wonder Club keychain. So basically what it is, you buy keychain. The normal ones are like $25 for just the regular leather, or $40 if you get like the football skin or the baseball skin ones. And then you add tokens, and you add tokens for things like national parks, states, countries, baseball parks. And so you've got all these different things that you can add. And so it's sort of a really unique thing. And you can sort of personalize it to someone's interest as well, which I really like. The tokens are $5 a piece, so you could get a keychain for $25, you could get 5 tokens for $25, and that's 2 stocking stuffers right there. Like I said, this can also be a really great standalone gift. This is actually what one of my best friends got me for my birthday. She got me the baseball keychain version with the different baseball parks that I've been on it, because one of my life goals is to make it to all the different baseball parks. So I think that this is a really great gift for someone, particularly if they're a national parks lover or a state traveler or a baseball lover like me. So that is it for my 25 stocking stuffers, everyone. I hope that this has helped you find some good stocking stuffers for people on your list if you are the type who does stocking stuffers in your family. Let me know down below what stocking stuffer you want off this list and what stocking stuffer you plan to give off this list. And just because I didn't mention at the beginning, if we hit 500 subscribers by Christmas, I'm going to be doing a gift card giveaway. If we hit 1,000 subscribers by Christmas, I will be doing a luxury giveaway, quite possibly something for maybe David Yurman. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, YouTube. Bye.